Welcome, today I'm showing how to check battery health information into a Motorola Moto G22. First of all, open Play Store and find Ampere application. I'll show you. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Now tap yes, I agree, close, and OK. And now need swipe on the right, and here in the second column on the top we got our health information, so our health battery is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.